You know, few years back, in every farm there was diesel pump installed. The smell of the fuel, the tension to refill again and again, and also the noise. But it was really a normal. Diesel getting expensive day by day. Then farmers started to think, is there any other option? Yes, there is where the solar pumps came. No tension about electricity bills, power cuts, and also electricity. Just a sunlight. The sunlight which is used to grow crops, now it is used to power the pumps. And the best part is, farmers aren't worried about the rising cost of the electricity bills. It is just install the solar pumps and save the power for years. That is why India is shifting to solar. It just makes sense. It is better for the land, for the farmer, and also for the future. At Mecwin Technologies, we are proud to be the part of the shift. At one time, the solar pump to be set. If you want to be a part of this, then please contact to the below number given. Thank you.